Avoid these 6 moisture mistakes for successful woodworking projects. Wood is a living, breathing material that's both beautiful and challenging. Discover how to master its care and prevent common woodworking failures. Despite its appeal, wood's natural moisture can lead to warping, splitting, and more. Let's dive into the top woodworking mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, not letting wood acclimate to its environment. Always allow wood to reach equilibrium moisture content before use to prevent deformities. Mistake number 2, skipping moisture content tests. Confirm the wood's moisture is within 2% of the environment's EMC before use. Mistake number 3, inconsistent workshop conditions. Maintain stable humidity and temperature to keep your wood stable. Mistake number 4, misusing your moisture meter. Follow the manual carefully to ensure accurate readings. Mistake number 5, using an uncalibrated moisture meter. Regularly check and calibrate your meter to keep readings precise. Mistake number 6, incorrect meter settings for different wood species. Adjust meter settings according to the wood species to ensure accurate moisture readings. Avoid these common pitfalls with a reliable tool like an Orion moisture meter and ensure your wood projects succeed every time. Visit wagnermeters.com to equip yourself with the right knowledge and tools. Start your next wood project with confidence.